What's up, everybody? So working on the carbon fiber hood a little bit here, and we washed it yesterday when we got it home, and it's clean, but we're just trying to take it to the next level. So right now you can hear it. When I rub it with the back of my hand, you can hear all that. There's just minor scratches and stuff and imperfections in the hood just from being on a car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try a little clay to see if we can get that out of there. Patterson Car Care Quick Clean and a clay bar. And we'll just work the clay. Just using a little bit of light pressure. Nothing crazy. And I'll go in three or four different directions. I'll work a little section. And then just dry it with a towel. Nice soft microfiber towel. And then that same. Versus where I didn't get here. And you can hear, look. So from where I got to where I didn't get, it's pretty sweet. You can definitely see and hear the difference. If you've never used clay, it's awesome. Should always use clay before you wax a car. It really makes a difference in how well the wax goes on and just how much better the car will look overall. And if you look, this carbon looks, it's awesome. This is a 2x2 weave. Dan has the matching hardtop on the way. Could be here any day now. So really excited about that, but he says he's not gonna put this hood on the car till he gets some wheels and some tires and gets the car lowered and can basically back up the aggressiveness of this hood. This hood's really it's looking pretty good. I think I have most of it clayed out, but if you look, let me see if I can, if you look at the clay, you can see all that dirt in that clay. That's what's coming out of that hood, and that's even after we washed it. And even, I started to polish it, and I wasn't getting the result that I wanted. It was still, you could hear that scratchiness in the hood. So I'm like, oh, let me clay it. If you've never used clay, it's awesome. You get a finish second to none. I'm not gonna go nuts on something that's not even gonna go on the car for probably till spring. May not even go on until spring. If it were me, I'd throw it on this weekend just to see how it looks. You get the idea. Again, you're picking up all the lights and everything that are in the ceiling, but this, I mean, she looks good. She looks really, really good. And now in the area that I polished, it's definitely so much smoother than it was. It's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better. It's like therapy. I do this all night, but I won't. Thanks for checking in. We'll see you next time.